going to the wood line.
Yeah, I see her going across right there now.
That's too far.
She's right next to him.
They going right where her. She's going to. That ain't gonna happen. Here he comes. He's coming. He's coming. Well, the place we hunted at this morning, we had 3 birds with 1 hen come in and get 80 yards behind us, but they wouldn't cross the fence line to come to us. And of course, we don't have a permission to hunt the other part of the property, the whole other side of the fence. So we're headed to a different spot where we struck a bird at 2 mornings ago, mid-morning. It's earlier now, so we're gonna see what happens, see if we can jump on something. Yeah. He is, yes, yes. He's halfway down that strip. Yes. What? No. Get ready. Hey, Nathan, get that gun like you're supposed to. Don't move anymore. Where? Don't move. Seth can see him. We just had to reposition. The bird got hung up and did not like the strutting decoy. So we moved up about 50 yards and sat back down. And we're trying to call him back to us. I can hear him drumming. He's getting closer. I can hear his drumming. Yep, he's getting closer. Stop moving your fingers. Nathan, he's coming to our left. Don't move, okay? he wouldn't get any closer, and he's got 20 gauge, and it's really thick in there. We're gonna let this bird rest. This is the second time we struck in midday. It's only 11:45 right now, and we're gonna give this bird a break and try to go find something else, and go get on him tomorrow, either tomorrow or the day after that, and get better set up. What else can you do, y'all? This stupid gun range behind us is about to drive me nuts. It's probably gonna ruin all that footage I had of him gobbling, and I know you're not gonna be able to hear him drumming, but my God, that bird drummed. One of the guys that's with us was like, there's a church right down the road, and the guy was like, man, I thought that was the bass for the church. And that's how loud this dude was drumming. It was stupid. He came in, we was caught off guard. We walked down this road bit. It's the same place we struck that bird on Monday, or not Monday, Friday. And we come up here on the road just trying to cut real hard, see if we can get him to gobble one time. And he never answered. And we're out there standing wide open, well, not wide open, a little spot, open spot, trying to figure out where to set up at. And pow, he gobbles. And we're scrambling to get ready. He kind of just throws some decoys on the ground and sit down real fast. And he wouldn't close the distance, walked away. We called him back up. Anyway, we're gonna leave him for another day. He's gobbling like crazy. When we do call this bird up, he's gonna put on a show. At least I hope he does. Now it's about 12:15 or something like that. We're gonna get some lunch and possibly go scout out a new property, or go see what else kind of birds we can find, if we can get one to strike up this afternoon. So we had a good time, but that little boy up there, he is getting real antsy. We're just gonna walk around running and gunning, trying to strike one up. And if that don't work, we're gonna go sit somewhere where we've seen turkeys at and try to wait them out. Y'all stay tuned. Some tough freaking hunting.
Coming, 2 gobbles, it may be coming.
Yeah. Hope he didn't see us.
I don't think he would have, dude.
It's a freaking coyote.
Is that what it is?
Yep, it's a coyote.
Crap, that's probably gonna screw it on me.
It's gonna screw us, yeah.
I'm gonna kill him on video.
He's walking away. Finally get on a freaking turkey. And a dang coyote comes out. We're having great luck. Great luck. Well, that bird got spooked by that coyote early this morning. It was actually, the bird was between me, my buddy, and then my dad and my uncle. Split between the 2 of us. Or the 4 of us. He was halfway between all 4 of us. Coyote came out, got spooked. He started going towards my dad and my uncle, and he shut up. He got like 75 yards from him. They could hear him in the creek bottom down there. And he shut up. The next time he gobbled, he's probably 300 yards to their left. So they went right by him. We're headed back in here this afternoon. We're going to get in that creek bottom where he was at. Because when we struck him, it was about lunchtime. And hopefully he's still there or nearby enough to where he'll come in there comfortably, since he was already in there. And hopefully we can get a freaking Alabama bird down. This stuff right here, it's ridiculous. But the amount of coyotes here, golly, it's stupid. I'd love to come down here and trap. Anyway, enough talking. It's about 85 degrees out here. We'll go see what we can do. Shots have been made. A turkey is down. They do exist, and they can be killed. We're going to check them out now. It is, what time is it? Eastern time.
7:10.
7:10. Right off the tree, straight to them. This bird has been roosted on two sides of the road, where the access road we've been hunting at. So we split up in twos and two. One on this side, two on the other side. They were the lucky ones. He gobbled over here, then went straight to him, and they killed him probably 5 minutes ago. So the kill time's probably 7:05, 7:04, something like that. So we'll check him out and see what he's got.
Yeah, baby. I'm gonna tell you what. We heard that bird gobble. We had a pump. You get down to right.
Oh, that's what I told him. I said, I bet y'all were huffing and puffing.
Yeah.
Where'd he come out at?
Come here. He was roosted in that dead poplar on the left somewhere right in there.
I don't know if he was in it, but he pitched out about right there. I watched him pitch out.
Oh, he pitched out into the
And I didn't know if it was a time on him. I just seen the bird pitch out.
right.
See, originally we had sat down up there. He was gobbling.
Mm-hmm.
But he didn't gobble till we run the call
That crow woke up over here.
across the road.
And that's when he hit back.
Anyway, we were sitting up there. I said, dude, you think we can move? Yeah. So we jumped up. We bebopped. I said, let's try to make it to the blind. Let's try to make it to the blind. Got to the blind, I looked. It ain't nothing to sit beside right there. Yeah. When you go get picked up, let's go down a little bit further and get beside that green shit. And dude, he pitched out. I couldn't see it. I saw it get to him right before he shot. I looked down.
Long neck the whole time.
Looking for that hen, and y'all didn't have a
He
decoy.
hadn't really called much. I hit my mouth call over and he did to run his friction. And he got right there, probably close to this side of that muddy spot. I think he gobbled once.
He was on down just a little bit before he got to there.
And once he got up, I knew he was within range. He come in and started long necking and like looking like he was going to make an escape. I'm like,
See, I had my camera up like this in one hand,
Mm-hmm.
and I had my friction call laying down on my chest.
Mm-hmm.
So I just going.
Yeah.
And he come up to right there.
How far was he?
Right there's a pile of feathers. See that one feather sticking up right in front of the mud?
30 yards from him. I would have liked to run a little closer, but I wasn't going to take a chance.
No, I could daggone third time's a charm.
He never really put on a show. I think one time he semi went to 3/4 strut.
Yeah. Well, let's see what he's got. You got nice spurs on?
Like 3/4, but they're short. I can't see them against my glove. Probably 3/4.
In there hooks are sharp, man.
I'm guessing 10-inch beard, maybe.
Lower 10.
I got you.
Try to get him to be the shoot man. No, let me video. I'm like, no, you get up there and shoot. He's like, no, I'm gonna video.
I had to make it worth the trip for you, man.
Man, I wish y'all would have been
Look
on
at
the
those.
shot him video.
Ain't nothing big about no deal.
Look like a doe.
I hate it. Didn't work out where y'all
I
did.
hate it didn't work out. It's a turkey dead in Alabama. It freaking happened. They exist, and it's over.
Exist.
Let's take some pictures. I didn't want to.
Well, guys, we made it back to the house, and I got through reviewing the footage from my dad. He hit the record button twice, so it was never recorded. He had the camera up, but he hit the record button twice, so therefore it stopped recording before the shot was taken. I hate it for you guys, because this place has been hard to hunt. Killed this bird right off the roost. When it flew down, it walked straight to them, and they shot it. This hunting down here in Alabama is no joke. It is not easy. There's so many predators down here that these birds gobble 7 to 10 times on the tree limb, and as soon as they hit the ground, they shut up. It's been tough. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's been everywhere and kind of sporadic on all the hunts and everything, but I'm kind of just showing you guys how it is, how the hunts are going, how they're playing out, and hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you on the next one.